Imagine a machine so powerful that the Earth itself seems to move out of its way. Today on Auto Garage, we're diving into the world of a true titan engine built to dominate the harshest terrains on the planet. This isn't just construction equipment. This is raw mechanical authority on tracks. First see a CAT Mega Bulldozer, the size of a dozer. The massive steel of its heavy-duty body is designed for advanced hydraulics, engine system. This machine is engineered to work where ordinary simply can't survive. From mining sites to large-scale earth-moving projects, it transforms landscapes with unstoppable force. At the heart of this beast is an incredibly powerful engine designed to produce extreme torque and continuous performance under pressure. CAT bulldozers are known for their reliability, and that reputation didn't happen by accident. Every component is tested under brutal conditions: high heat, freezing cold, dust storms, mud, and rocky terrain. No matter the environment, the machine keeps moving forward. That's the CAT promise: power, precision, and endurance. But it's not just about brute force. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a completely different world. The operator's environment is designed for maximum control and efficiency. Advanced digital displays provide real-time performance data. Hydraulic controls respond with smooth precision. The reinforced cabin structure ensures safety. Seating reduces fatigue. Even though it's a mechanical giant on the outside, inside it's smart, controlled, and highly advanced. One of the most impressive aspects of the CAT Mega Bulldozer is its hydraulic blade system. The sheer pressure and control applied allow operators to move massive amounts of earth with surgical accuracy. The machine adapts effortlessly. Fuel efficiency and advanced engineering also play a major role. Modern CAT systems are built to maximize output while minimizing unnecessary fuel consumption. Smart monitoring systems help detect maintenance needs early, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. In industries where every minute counts, reliability is everything, and this machine delivers. There's something almost hypnotic about watching a mega bulldozer at work. The sound of the engine roaring, the blade cutting through earth, the tracks grinding forward with unstoppable momentum. It's a display of industrial dominance. It represents human innovation at its most powerful. We design it, we build it, and then it reshapes the world around us. The CAT Mega Bulldozer isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of strength, endurance, and engineering excellence. And here, at Auto Garage, we bring you closer to the machines that build our future. If you love powerful machines,